Hi guys, it's your girl Nadiva Valon and I am here with my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoy. This is a hair wig tutorial, so if you've never put on wigs or you don't like putting them on, make sure you stay tuned. Right, so take your wig out of the bag, apply the foundation that you use on your face, the darkest colour foundation, apply it with a brush like I have. Then you put the wig on your head, you place it down flat and make sure that you cut off the part that is on top of your ears. Then you get a piece of hair to make your baby hairs just by the corner of your ear. Make sure it's down as flat as you can and your ear is in place. Then you put your hair up, out of the way, clip it up, trim around the ear like I'm doing, and just make sure it's perfectly flat. This is key. Don't underestimate this step. Then what you need to do is cut the lace from the middle of your head and go round to the sides. Then we're going to add the glue. The glue I use is the black Got2b, and I use it because it's not too abrasive, and if you're like me and want to take your wig off your head at night, you can just put water on it. Then after I've added the glue, I'm putting some mousse down. The mousse helps to lay your edges nice and sleek without it getting too producty. Cut your edges as you desire. I like mine to be extra AF, so this is what we're doing. Yes. You can also tongue the hair. Mine already came flicked up and tongued by the company. I'll leave the link to the hair company Invisible Wig down below. So you're just going to lay your edges like I did, and obviously this has to be a really quick video, but basically if you do every step I've done, you're winning. Then I got my silk head wrap and I tied my head just to lay it flat, and voila. I thought I would do my makeup while I waited, so yes. Now that my makeup's done, I'm going to lift that off of my head, take the scarf off, and woohoo, we got a nice little melt. Lovely, lovely. So I'm just going to take my hair down, and then I'm going to run my fingers through the hair and also add some serum. I'll leave the link to the serum that I use down below. It's a really good serum. Then I'm going to just define my middle part in. This can make a hell of a difference to how a wig looks. Don't underestimate this step, guys, honestly. Ah, there goes the serum. Detangle the hair if your hair is synthetic. If it's a human hair wig, you can use this time to do your tonguing and also comb it out with a brush. For this type of hair, I know that it's quite nice to just use my fingers, run through the hair with some serum. Now that it's all combed out and I'm feeling cute, I am going to define that part in. As you can see, the melt is just immaculate. Immaculate. The foundation is a really key part as well. Don't underestimate that step, guys. The next step that is really important is to use your wax stick to flatten the wig.